Hi everyone. As we're gearing up for our next set of projects, I wanted to have a really quick Zoom video on how you use tools to record yourself for an online project. So one of the easiest tools that we have available to us for our projects is Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is a free software that you can use online to film whatever it is you happen to be doing. So if you get to the page and you click on the link, it will take you to Screencast-O-Matic. Create a free account, and once they're there, you can use buttons like this to create a recording, which then once you complete it, you'll launch to YouTube. And like me, you could have your face up in the corner, or you could just have it capturing your screen and going through it. And so you can talk through your online presentation with the screen behind you and either your voice or your face, pointing out different things, just like you would be doing if, say, this were a live class presentation. You had your PowerPoint behind you and you're pointing to different stuff, except of course we don't use PowerPoint, we use a wiki. So that is just one tool that you could be using. The other tool you could use is Zoom, because you can have a group Zoom meeting that you record and have screen capture. And in that you could have, say, multiple people talking about whatever it is you have posted on your wiki page for, say, either a group presentation, close reading presentation, whatever the case may be. So just a quick plug for different tools you have at your disposal for navigating this new online world. And perhaps using these tools, as difficult as they are to master the first time, is going to be one of the most important skills you take away from the class, because we're entering into a world where I don't think any of this is going away. We're going to need to know how to do these things or adapt to new and better technologies. So try your hand at it, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with.